Okay, we move on to speaking part two, and your topic is describe something important that you lost. Lose, lost, lost. Lost is second form, past tense. Now you're going to describe all the thing in the past tense, but make sure you cover four important topics. What it was, first talk about it. How you lost it, and don't take too much time on the story. Summarize your ideas, okay? Why was it important to you? Speak on it, and how you felt. How you felt means conclusion of your cue card. So speak according to the topic, right? Please start.
Well, actually, it was my cell phone. I lost many things in my life because my phone gave me my father on my birthday.
My phone was given to me by my father.
Okay. My phone
Was given to me
given to me
by my father
on my birthday. So I feel very bad.
I felt very bad.
I felt very bad because I have many important things in my phone. I had many important things in my phone, many memories, and I use when I watch the time, and usually I use calculator. So it was very bad thing that my phone was lost.
Okay, carry on. Speak more.
This phone battery backup was also good, and
all right, so now when you have lost the phone, you are thinking about battery timing was very good, memory was 256 GB, and it was very good one. Okay, all right, no problem. Listen, you need to practice all these topics and try to be fluent. Your English is okay, but you just need practice, and then you'll become perfect in them, right? Now let's go on. We have speaking part 3. Why do old people often lose their things?
Because they get old, so their memory they lost their memory.
They lose their memory.
They lose their memory because of their age factor. So
that's why
they
misplace the things
here and there. They are unorganized, the things.
Yeah, they disorganize the things.
Yes.
And that's why they often lose their belongings.
Things.
Right? Just like this.
Yes.
So you need practice, and you need to make sentences, and even you can practice on your own. Record your voice, speak on the cue card. It'll be fine, right?
Right.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.